my amazing creative humans, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, my name is Z. Today is just another video log for you guys. It's already Thursday, February 24th already. Wow, it's almost the end of February and it's already 1:28 p.m. here in California. So this whole week I only received 3 Etsy orders, so that's just what I'm going to be working with you guys on this video log. So I'm sorry that I will be gone on YouTube. I will just be uploading my weekly video log for you guys whenever I want to share something with you guys or I have something to show you guys. I want to probably only limit myself to 1 tutorial a month for you guys, since I am taking care of Cloud now. Like, my whole focus is on baby Cloud, so the YouTube thing would just be once a week and then probably once or twice a month. I don't want to overpromise myself. So yeah, that's just, so I put like the minimum number, so I at least I have some, the minimum that I can do for YouTube, because Cloud is my priority now. Cloud is going to speech therapy, so I'm trying to help him and also running my Etsy. So the YouTube is just gonna be I'm gonna minimize it to like 5 to 6 upload a month only. So, and I will let you guys know if I have another so long, but at this time I'm just super busy. So, and spring is almost here, so I plan to do more outdoor stuff. So I'm not gonna be much in here. So it's okay, my Etsy is low because I do want to go on more hike and doing outdoor things with my family on the weekends. So yeah, so even the Etsy is low, like I'm okay. And the 3 designs that have been selling for me been still selling every week, so that's good for me. Anyways, they don't sell a ton, but they do sell about 2 to 3 times a week. So they're actually like good enough for me, because I can just do a little bit for the Etsy and then go and enjoy my time away from work around here, because I've just been in this room for a long time. So it's good that the weather is getting warmer and warmer now. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and let's just start working, you guys. So I will be doing time lapse for you guys, so you can just watch me work. Hey, my creative amazing humans, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. So today is Saturday, 4 a.m. here in California, and I am waking up early so I can get all my orders done today, so I don't have to think about it anymore. And so later in the day I can relax with my family and just not think about work. So I only have the 3 orders that I was doing on Thursday, so finally I'm able to get back to it today, so hopefully I can finish and get them out. So let's just get to work, you guys. like, and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.